Hello kids, how are you? Hope you are fit and healthy at home. Welcome to online classes. Myself Komal Kaur Sethi representing Shivjyoti Educational Group Kota. Today I am here to teach you chapter 4. So kids, open your book and take out page number 16. Today we will study pronouns. Before starting pronouns, you must know nouns. So children, do you remember what are nouns? Nouns are the names of persons, places, animals and things. So instead of repeating nouns again and again, what we do? We use pronouns in place of them. So let's start and see more about pronouns and how it replaces nouns. Let's start. Children, look here. You can see the picture of a girl with a teddy. So, who is she? Radha has a teddy. Here, Radha is a naming word and she is a girl. So, the pronoun we use in place of Radha is she. So, she has a teddy. Here, you can see the picture of a boy flying kite. Sam is flying a kite. So, what is the name of the boy? Sam, and it is the name, it is a noun. So, the pronoun we use in place of Sam is he, because Sam is a boy. He is flying a kite. Cat is climbing. Here cat is the name of an animal. And the pronoun we use to replace animal is it. It is climbing. Children are going to school. Children is also a noun and the pronoun we use to replace children is they, because it is more than one, because here we are talking about more than one person. So, the pronoun we used THEY, they. They are going to school. In the above examples, she is used in place of Radha, he is used in place of Sam, it is used in place of cat and they is used in place of children. These words are pronouns. So, he, she, it, they, these all are pronouns. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of noun. So, what we learn? That pronoun is a word we use in place of noun. Some pronouns we use every day are I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her, they, it and them. So, there are many pronouns and the most important ones that we use in our daily life are I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her and them. These pronouns replace the names of the people. So, here you can see a table. Here what we are doing? We are learning the pronouns which we use to replace the names of the people. जो हम people का name change करने में pronouns use करते हैं, here we will learn used for the names of males. Males कौन होते हैं? Boy, man, uncle, ये सब males होते हैं. So the pronoun we use for them is he and him. Used for the names of females. Children, females कौन होते हैं? Females are girls, women, aunt. These come under the category of females. So, the pronoun we use here is she and her, used for the names of both males and females. Here we are learning the pronouns we use for both males and females. I, me, you, we, us, they and them. Singular and plural pronouns from the above table. So, now we will learn the singular and plural pronouns from the above table. So, children, what is singular? Anything which is one comes in is called singular form, and other things which are more than one comes in plural form, singular pronoun. So, anything which is single is singular pronoun. I, he, him, she, her, it. These all are singular pronoun used for one thing, one people, one animal. Plural pronouns we, us, they, them. So, here when we talk about more than one thing, one person, one animal, we use plural pronouns. Let us see the example. When we talk about a girl, single girl, we use she, and when we talk about many girls, we say they. So, did you get? The pronoun you is used in both singular and plural. So, now we will learn about the pronoun you. So, pronoun you is used both in singular and plural. The pronoun you is used both in singular and plural. For example, you are a good friend. Here we are talking about friend, single friend. So, you is used, you are a good friend. You are good friends, but here we take plural form of friend, which is friends. So, here also we are using the pronoun you. So, what you learned, that you is used in both singular and plural. Let us see one more example. You are a sincere student. So, here we are saying, let's see, आप class में होते हो तो टीचर कहते हैं you are a good boy, you are a sincere boy, you are a sincere student. So, here we are using you to say you are a sincere student. Here we are talking about a single student, and in next sentence you are a sincere student. Here we use s, so it is a plural form of student. So, here in both the sentence we are using you. So, what you learned, that you is used in both singular and plural. The pronoun it is used for animals and things. So, it is used for animals and things. Which pronoun is used for animals and things? The pronoun it. Let us see the example. An elephant is the world's largest land animal. It is very huge. So, here you can see the picture of an elephant. So, what you learn, that elephant is the world's largest animal. वो world का सबसे बड़ा animal है. So, in next sentence, we are replacing an elephant with the pronoun it. We are replacing an elephant with the pronoun it. So, an elephant is the world's largest land animal. It is very huge. So, instead of repeating nouns again and again, what we do? We replace it with pronoun. So, here it is used in place of an elephant. Next, Rahul is playing with ball. So, here you can see a picture of a boy. His name is Rahul and he is playing with a ball. You can see which color is the ball of? It is red in color. So, Rahul is playing with ball, it is red in color. So, what we do here? We replace the noun ball with pronoun it. Rahul is playing with ball, it is red in color. So, what is red in color? Ball. So, here ball is replaced with it. So, here it is used for an elephant and a ball. So, children, what we learned, that it is used for animals and things. Here you can see animal and thing. There are many other animals and things for which we used it. The pronoun it is also used to talk about time and weather. It is also used to talk about टाइम एंड वेदर। टाइम होता है राइट, आप लोग देखते हैं आपकी वॉच में, आपके घर में बड़ा सा क्लॉक लगा रहता है, आपको टाइम देखना होता है, तो टाइम और वेदर के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, वी यूज़ IT it। Let us see few examples. It is 7 o'clock in my watch. It is 7 o'clock in my watch. Here we are talking about time. So what we use? We use the pronoun IT it. It is a beautiful day. Let's go to picnic. So here we are talking about beautiful day. अच्छा beautiful day कब होगा? जब बहुत अच्छा weather होगा. So हमें वेदर के बारे में बात करनी है। Here we are talking about weather, so we use the pronoun it. Next, it will rain today. Here also we are talking about rain. Rain is a part of a rainy season. It is also telling us the weather condition. So which pronoun we use here? The pronoun IT it. So children, what you learned, it is used in the pronoun it is used to tell animals, things and time and weather. Let's learn more nouns and pronouns. Here you can see the table. It is of nouns and pronouns. Ram. Ram कौन होता है? R-A-M, Ram. Ram is the name of a boy. So the pronoun we use to replace boy is he. Okay. Megha. Megha is the name of a girl, and the pronoun we use to replace the girl is she, she. Cow. Cow gives us milk. Cow is the name of an animal. So the pronoun we use to replace cow is IT it. Children. Here we are talking about children, not a child. Child is a singular form. So here the pronoun we use is THEY, they. Next, I and my father. Here I is using for the person who is speaking. The person who speak is a speaker. जो बोलता है वो कौन होता है? Speaker होता है. So here I and my father. So I इधर speaker है, इस sentence में क्या है? Speaker है, और my father. We use pronoun WEV. Important points. A singular pronoun takes the place of a singular noun. Example. What does this sentence mean, children? That a single pronoun, wherever single pronoun will be, we have to replace it with singular noun. Rahul lives near a park. He lives near a park. So here Rahul is a boy. We are talking about a single boy, Rahul. So it is replaced with pronoun he. It is replaced with pronoun he. So singular noun is replaced with singular pronoun. A camel has a hump. Here a camel, we are talking about a camel, and camel is a animal. So the pronoun we use for a single camel is IT it. It has a hump. A camel has a hump. It has a hump. A plural pronoun is used in place of plural nouns. So the way we replace singular noun with singular pronoun, now we will replace plural pronoun plural noun with plural pronoun. Sia put toys in a box. So here the highlighted word is toys. Here it is, we are not talking about single toy, we are talking about toys in a plural form, toy in plural form. So we replace it with THEM, them. Sia put them in a box. Sia put toys in a box, Sia put them in a box. Because here we are talking about many toys, we use pronoun THEM, them. Helena and I are cousins. So what do you see? I. So I कब use होता है? Whenever speaker is there. So what we have learned earlier, whenever there is speaker in the conversation, in the sentence, we replace it with pronoun we. We replace it with pronoun we. So Helena and I is replaced with pronoun here, you can see, and Helena and I are cousins. So it becomes we are cousins. Rita and Yash are playing. Here Rita and Yash are playing. So the pronoun we use for Rita and Yash is THEY, they. They are playing. So children, I hope you have understood the chapter well. Now I will give you one task for your online class. Here you have to write down the names of your family members and tell the pronouns you use in place of their names. So kids, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.